Taking a cold shower first thing in the morning or after a workout may not sound very appealing, especially during the winter months. However, there are some surprising benefits associated with ending your warm, comfortable showers and turning the dial to cold instead. Here are 10 reasons you should consider incorporating cold showers into your daily routine. 1. Improves circulation. Exposure to cold water causes your blood vessels to constrict. This sends more blood back to your organs to maintain their temperature. The quick constriction and subsequent dilation of blood vessels helps improve circulation in your body. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients can reach your cells. 2. Boosts immunity. Research has shown that taking regular cold showers can help boost your immunity in a couple of ways. The cold exposure causes your body to turn up its metabolic rate and activate your immune cells. Your lymphatic system also kicks into high gear to fight potential infections or illnesses. Overall, this combination strengthens your general immunity. 3. Increases alertness. Nothing shocks you awake in the morning like a blast of cold water. The nerve receptors under your skin send electrical impulses to your brain, resulting in a boost of mood-enhancing neurotransmitters like norepinephrine. Starting your day with improved alertness and focus can be beneficial. 4. Eases stress. While the cold may initially cause a gas, taking cold showers has been shown to reduce overall stress levels. The cold exposure leads to increased levels of beta-endorphin and noradrenaline hormones. These help alleviate depression and boost moods. The controlled stress of cold showers also helps build resilience over time. 5. Speeds up recovery. Athletes have long been taking ice baths to help reduce inflammation and speed up recovery after intense training. The same concept applies to cold showers. The cold exposure constricts blood vessels and decreases metabolic activity, helping to reduce swelling and tissue breakdown. Quicker recovery means you can hit the gym again sooner. 6. Improves skin and hair health. Hot water strips moisture from your skin and hair. Cold water helps close pores and retain natural moisture. Taking cold showers regularly can improve the tone and appearance of your skin. Your hair follicles also benefit from the cold exposure, leaving your locks looking healthier and shinier. ***7. Burns calories. Your body has to work harder to maintain its core temperature in cold conditions. This extra effort requires calories and increases your metabolic rate. While the effects are marginal, taking cold showers routinely can result in slightly boosted calorie burn. Over time, this may help with weight loss. ***8. Refines hair follicles. Frequent exposure to cold water triggers the root of your hair to go into rest phase. This slows down hair production. That may sound undesirable, but it actually helps your hair regenerate with new follicles when it resumes growth. The result is refined, stronger hair strands overall. ***9. Improves willpower. Mustering up the nerve to take an icy cold shower, especially first thing in the morning, requires willpower and mental strength. Taking cold showers routinely strengthens your self-discipline over time. This can translate to other areas of your life, like sticking to fitness goals or work tasks. Think of it as brain training. ***10. Environmentally friendly. Lastly, cold showers require significantly less energy to heat water. So you help conserve natural resources and electricity. This is a small way to be eco-friendly, especially because hot showers account for the majority of your home's energy usage. Your utility bills will thank you too. There you have it, 10 compelling reasons to turn down the heat and reap the many benefits of taking cold showers instead. It may be uncomfortable at first, but your body will adapt. Before long, you'll look forward to the invigorating chill. Give it a try and let me know how cold showering goes for you. Share your experiences in the comments below.